Hi, Miss Field. Today I'm going to read you called What's a Gross Sunflower by Barrie Watts. So the author is Barrie Watts. So it's not showing me who the illustrator is. What's a Gross Sunflower by Barrie Watts. Sunflowers come from seeds. Here's the sunflower. It is about 1 millimeter long. It comes from the sunmill of the sunflower. The stripe coating is hard and tough. It stops the inside part of the seed from drying out. Inside the seed, there is a store of new food that will use to grow a new plant. During the winter, the seed is kept in a cool, dry place until it is ready to be planted. The seed is planted. In spring, when the weather becomes warmer, the seed is planted in soil. The seed needs warmth and water to start to grow. A week after planting, the coat of the seed has softened. Water from the soil gets through the coating. As it gets wet, the inside of the seed swells. Then the coating splits open. The seed grows roots. Soon after the soft seed coating splits open, a tiny root pushes its way out. The root grows down into the soil, collects water and nutrients, which are sent back to the seed. Seed leaves grow. As the root sends water and nutrients to come back to the seed, the first leaves, called seed leaves, start to grow. They grow on top of a tube called the stem. The seed leaves push their way to the surface of the soil. They are folded downwards as they force their way up through the soil so that they do not get damaged. The seed leaves are big. As soon as the seed leaves reach the surface of the soil, they unfold. They are oval and have a different shape from a normal leaf. The leaves use sunlight to start making food for the plant. The food gives the plant its energy it needs to grow. Now it can push its roots deep into the soil. The more roots the plant has, the more water and nutrients it will get, and the quicker it will grow. The proper leaves grow. A week after the seed leaves appear, the sunflower plant proper leaves start to grow. They grow big, up to 3 centimeters long. The proper leaves use sunlight to make even more food. The proper leaves have a network of thin tubes called veins. These veins carry food to the rest of the plant. When the proper seeds have grown, the seed leaves are no longer needed. They go yellow and dry up. The stem is strong. The stem of the plant joins the roots and the leaves. It is a tube filled with soft sponge-like veins, which carry food and water to the other parts of the sunflower plant. The stem can grow to 2 meters high and very strong and flexible. It supports the plant as it grows upwards and later its heavy flower. The flower starts to grow. After 2 months, the sunflower plant had grown several dry, large leaves. These leaves These make lots of food so the plant can start to grow a flower bud. The flower bud grows a tip of the stem, where the newest leaves appear. At first, only the outer plants of the flower can be seen. The flower is a big bud. Before the bud opens, it is covered with thin, pointed green scales. These are the sepals of the flower. The sepals protect the soft parts of the flower as they grow inside the bud. The sepals are tough and hairy. They stop insects from eating the flower before it opens. When it is fully grown, the flower bud is as big as a chicken's egg. The sunflower opens. The sunflower opens on a warm, sunny day. It takes at least a day to open fully. Unlike too many other flowers, a sunflower has both male and female parts in each flower head. After 4 days, the male part starts to make pollen, and the female parts, called stigmas, make nectar. The nectar smells sweet and attracts insects. The bright yellow color also tempts insects to visit the sunflower. The sunflower faces the sun. Most flowers grow in the warm, sunny parts of the world, often large fields. Each sunflower is 30 centimeters across. The big sunflowers need the warm sunlight to make nectar, so each flower turns to face the sun. In a large field, all the sunflowers will face the sun. They slowly follow it as it moves across the sky. Insects visit the sunflower. Bees, flies, crickets, and other insects visit the sunflower to feed on the sweet nectar. When they land on the flower, they get covered in sticky pollen that parts of the flower. The insects carry the pollen to other sunflowers. As an insect lands on the female stigmas, pollen brushes off them and the stigmas are fertilized. When this happens, a seed begins to grow. The sunflower makes seeds. When all the female stigmas have been fertilized, the flower is no longer needed. Its petals dry up. The flower head hangs downwards to stop rain from harming the growing seeds. The plant keeps making food, which is stored in the growing seeds. By autumn, they are ready to harvest. Some seeds will be eaten or crushed to make oil. Others will be planted next spring to grow new sunflowers. The end. I hope you like this book. I hope my friends like it.